Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, a binary Sudoku. In this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, still Friday, November the 20th, 2020. And the third Sudoku will be number 1914. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Yes. Double. Oh, the rest are ones. Yes, this one. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yes. Double one. Here an O, there an O. Double one. Here an O, there an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, and there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 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 We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah, let me compare some box. No, double O here, one. Double one here, O there, no. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 3. Yeah, the first and the second row almost the same. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We can't have identical rows or identical columns. So if I place a 1 and an O here, then we have the same rows. The first row and the second one are the same then. So we have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in the last column, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. We need to compare again. Let me see. 1 2 3. Yes, 1 2 3. Do we have double O? No. So I cannot compare the columns, so I need to compare the rows. 1 and 1 are almost the same. 1 10 10. Do we have a 10 10 here? 10 10. Yes, this row and the last row. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Empty box. 1 empty box. 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 numbers. With 1 here, this should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, an O there, an O. Finish in 5 minutes exactly. Yes, I like this Sudoku, a binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one. 4 stars. Yes, I like that. See you then. Bye bye for now.